Coming actress now.
Okay, but what will you say, Mamang, to your viewer?
Filipina actress.
Your actress, your best actress daw.
Anang biday.
No, but they like it.
Babintanam.
Do you have another song? Ada kanta manan?
Kuno dinakasyan ay The Garden of Paradise. Ang gina kanji. Land I adore and grow.
Eh, bakit i-close na yung kanyang bathroom?
Happiness to everyone I know.
See, I'm singing, I'm dancing now.
Come back again, my love. When I'm dreaming of you, always of you.
Kanta ba yan noon, Mama?
Thinking of you.
Is that an old song?
In the Garden of Paradise.
Okay.
Land I adore and grow.
Okay, say good night, everyone.
To everyone I know.
Eh, bukas daw maliligo at magpapalit. Say, thank you, everybody. Good
When
night.
I'm sleeping,
Ala?
dreaming of you, always of you, thinking of you. Thank you. Thank you to all of you. Thank you.
I love you all.
I love you all. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you very much. I love you all. Everybody. Okay. Bye-bye.
Anong gagawin mo ngayon umaga, today? What is your plan today? What will you do today?
My plan is to go sibugan aming masitas ko.
Ah, you go water all your plants because it's very cold. No, see, there's
Water
no
the
sun.
plants.
There's no sun. It's very cold. You put a double jacket. Ayan, jacket yan, no?
Long
Jacket.
time my plants were not water.
That one, use that jacket, okay? Did you sleep well?
Oh yeah. I sleep well.
Kano ta ka? Let's go and bring the cat later to the doctor, okay?
Okay.
You come with me, so that we'll go together later, in the afternoon.
Okay.
The cat has a vet appointment. They need to take their shot. Mami, I bought rice for you.
Yeah. Very good. Thank you. Thank you.
Tapos, I cook salmon.
Yeah. Salmon is very nice.
For your... Mamang only likes pampano and salmon po and shrimp. That's all she likes.
Okay.
And then my dog, King loves salmon, so as Bella.
Very good.
So, you share with the cats and dogs, okay?
Hey, good.
Allah. Oh, bago kasi yung basura, yung kinakalkal ni Mother. Okay? You take a shower soon. Are you gonna go to your plants?
Okay. I will put the rice inside.
Later, mamang na, it's too heavy. Nadadagsan, shakton. Nadagsan.
Takbo.
Ako, Diyos ko. Ala, paring ko yun doon. Yes, ganyan si Mother. She tried to do everything she can. Pasensya na po, hindi na siya nagpapalit ng damit. Oh. You have to change your clothes.
I will get the fish out.
Hello, Mother. What are you doing? What is that? Let me see.
Yeah, I'm cleaning my shrimp.
Shrimp. Ah, you're cleaning your shrimp. This is what you went and buy yesterday. And this is what kind of fish is this?
Shrimp is very
Anya nga lamos dito, Mang?
Pampano.
Oh, pampano. She loves pampano. That's her fish. She likes salmon. She likes pampano.
Pampano.
And what else kind of fish do you want? Do you like?
I like pampano and salmon.
Anything else? How about bangos?
Yeah, but not. I don't like so much because it's a lot of
Bones.
bones. Yeah.
Masapol mo to siplak. Isiplak mo,
At sa madamdama. Daw sakpay ta. Dingay.
Sa isang ikabil di presa rin.
Uy.
Yeah, makayam dahi tang aramida na yan.
Uy.
Nabuyok, no? Badim ko, mabaho pag hindi malinisan. Tsaka pag hindi maganda ang pagkalinis, mabaho. Tsaka ilagay sa cellophane mga yan, mang, kasi mabaho. Ito po yung mga shrimps niya. Ayan, linalagay po niya sa cellophane kasi mabaho. Tapos lilinisan. Tapos i-pre-freezer niya. Isang luto. Dikit din, mang. Kita, taman da, ita pampano. Mano, iti pampano nga ginatang mo?
Pampano, to bukol.
To bukol. That means 2 pieces.
2 pieces, but this slice already.
Anya man, tapos, ini-slice da.
Yeah, this slice.
Ini-slice po nila. Yan, na si mother here. Tignan nga natin. Wala. Okay, kamot laang.
Okay.
Dito sisiplak na ako. Ayan po. Kang kaya nga nagsidsidati lamos di Pilipinas, hindi ka ba nag-ulam ng mga isda sa Pilipinas? Ayan po, ano na yan, nalinisan na, tsaka hati-hati na, gusto niya po. Ganyan si mamang po. Gusto niyang ilagay pa sa ziplock. She's trying to be independent. So far, thank God, she's doing the best she can. Kaya lang kung minsan, nakakalimutan ng pag nagluto. Kaya, dapat bantayan. Diba? Ganun yun eh. So, 1 slice of pampano, how many shrimp? Ikabil mo.
1, 2, 4, 6.
O, 2 slice of pampano. Tapos,
and shrimps.
how many shrimp?
Is my shrimps 3 or 4.
And
3 slices of pampano.
And how many days you eat that? 2 slices of pampano and 2 to 3.
And 3 to 4 shrimps.
Mano nga aldaw nga kanang
My dinner or
dinner and then
or my
lunch?
Yeah.
Did you eat the pampano that left over? Kinan mo?
Yeah.
Okay. Paros pampano palagi na lang. Wala nang iba.
Pampano.
Okay, we will buy salmon, okay? Next time.
Yeah, next time salmon.
What did you, anya nga vegetable ti ginatang yo? What vegetable?
What are those? Eggplant.
Eggplant, anya pa eh.
Ampalaya and talong.
Eggplant, talong.
Eggplant, ampalaya and talong. And eggplant,
Ang
ampalaya.
kanga nangala ti pechay, ikabil mo talamos mo. Di ka bumili ng pechay.
I have pechay also.
Okay, very good. Alang nga ron. Okay.
I have also pechay.
Okay, doon alwadam baka makataimam. Okay, be careful. Okay. Make sure you wash your hand later, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And then your ziplock is here already.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Ayan, bye. Diniligan na naman yung kanyang halaman. Kasi nakalimutan niya na diniligan niya lang 2 days ago, 3 days ago.
Green.
Oh. So, kaya't mo tagpakulot, tataw may ni Jenny? Wano, next weekend. Sika
Ano yan pa po si Greg?
Tinatanong ko kung gusto niyang magpagupit ay magpakulot. Kasi pupunta yung hairdresser dito.
Magpapuki si Greg anak pakulutak mo ito.
Kung yung asawa ko daw ay magpagupit, ay kulot na rin. Teka, tanongin ko kay doktor, okay? Hold on.
What?
Okay, doctor said not today.
No,
So maybe next week.
Okay.
For your hair, okay?
Okay.
And then you guys will do your hair together. Can you say something to your viewers? Because it's getting dark.
Kami actress now.
Okay, but what will you say, Mamang, to your viewers?
Pilipina actress.
Your actress, your best actress daw. So what will you tell your viewers? The one that loves you? They love your song last night, the one ng Biday.
Anang biday.
No, but they like it.
Babintanam.
Do you have another song? Ada kantamanan?
Kono dinakat yan ay takmao.
Ala, nalipasan mo. Nakalimutan daw. Ano pang kantahin mo? para sa mga viewers. Ano pang magandang kanta?
In the garden of paradise. Ang gina kanji. Land I adore and grow.
Bakit i-close na yung kanyang bathroom?
Happiness to everyone I know.
See, I'm singing, I'm dancing now.
Come back again, my love. When I'm dreaming of you, always of you.
Kanta ba yan noon, Mama?
Thinking of you.
Is that an old song?
In the garden of paradise. Land I adore and grow.
Okay, say good night,
Happiness
everyone.
to everyone I know.
Bukas daw maliligo at magpapalit. Say, thank you everybody. Good
When I'm
night.
sleeping,
Ala?
dreaming of you, always of you, thinking of you. Thank you. Thank you to all of you. Thank you.
I love you all.
I love you all. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you very much. I love you all, everybody. Okay, bye-bye.